How do I start this video? I know. Series time. Number 4, I think. Yeah, I think. This video will be installing the hard drive and the power supply and the GPU. Alright, so as I said before, this is my hard drive. It is a Seagate Barracuda 4 terabytes. I don't hear any moving parts, so it's fine. Okay, put that aside. Take the hard drive cage out of my case. Just you know, carefully take it out. Okay. Now, to put the hard drive in, you just stuff it in like this. And you line up the holes. Okay, just take out the screws first. The one that comes in the case. And I'll line the hard drive up first with the screw holes. Do that. Okay, that's in just a little bit. Put that in. That's kind of in. Just don't do it too tight right now. Tighten it after. Then take this. Okay, the hard drive has been attached to the case. Now I just put the hard drive cage back in the, yeah. So many extra screws. Take the case! Ugh. It's getting so heavy. Alright, now time to take the SATA cables that the motherboard has kindly included in for us and line them up with the like this, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's like that. Just connect it. There we go, and then just bring it here, move it along, just take it out. There. That's that. Oh! One of the most dangerous components, I think, because it's like, it's a literal power supply. It's dangerous. Okay. So. There it is. Beautiful. I've already put all the cables that I need in one side, so. Yeah. And then I also have this cable. These are all the cables that I need. Yeah. Okay. So I will be installing my PSU with the fan facing down because I have a very good big hole on the bottom of my case. Okay, these are all the screws that I need to connect my PSU to the case. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay. That's been connected. Now I just need to connect all of these cables. Okay, first of all, we have the most important one. The ATX, no. It's the motherboard power for the motherboard, yeah. And then you just connect this where it labels motherboard. I shouldn't have done this. I shouldn't have connected to the case before I connected to the wires, but okay, that's one. Okay, next is the CPU. The 8-pin one, I think, first. This one. Okay, that's connected. And then the other CPU. Yep. Then we need, then we need the one, this one, it's for the, what's it called? It's for the, what's it called? Graphics card. Yes, guys, I actually have a graphics card. Okay, there we go. And last but not least, we have SATA power. And I perfectly have just enough SATA drive powers to connect to all my SATA powers. Okay, there. That is all of my cables. That's quite a lot of cables. And now it's just time. It's time for hard part. Okay. Put it here. Let the case just suck all the cables in first. Okay. Yes! It seems to have sucked the cables inside. Okay, PSU has been attached to the motherboard. No, not the, very funny. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do, connect motherboard power. Cause that's motherboard power, you know? Motherboard power. Oh, okay. That's in, kind of, partially. Didn't hear a click yet, but it's in, so that's, oh, yeah, that one's also in now. Just. Next is the CPU power. See, okay. Just undo all these knots. Okay, so this is the CPU power. My motherboard has a 8-pin and a 4-pin. So basically what that means is that it basically means it can be overclocked. Something like that. Okay, well, this fan is gonna be annoying. So, I am going to take it out. CPU cable has been installed. Okay, so it seems that my 140 millimeter fan, Be Quiet fan, does not fit because of the CPU power connector. Yeah. And so I took it off and will not be using it. Yeah. So I'll just you know. There we go. Okay. And then next, let's do SATA power. Yeah, that's the only thing I can do actually, for now. Okay, so we have one over here. Okay, that's connected. Then we have another one that's for the case one. It is over here. And there's a last one. The last one goes here. Yep. To the hard drive. Now, I guess I'll just start doing some managing of the cables. Do this. Measure. It's obviously a 4000 series. What else could it be? Okay, it's in. Now I just need the screws again. Right over here. That's one. Alright, I finished my cable management. Would you like to see it? Yeah, I obviously didn't finish it. My dad did. Because I am a child. And children don't do cable management. So, okay. There we go. I've closed. Now I just need a monitor to see. Can I have a monitor?
You done?
Yeah.
Everything done?
Yeah, it's done. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the PC for the first time. Let's see if it works. You guys will see the RGB and I won't. So I'm gonna take all the RGB for myself. Well. There we go. Okay, let's see. 3, 2. Oh, I just see RGB right here. What the heck?
Yeah.
Kind of walking.
mashing delete on my
What's on the monitor?
nothing yet.
Nothing?
Yet.
邊有咁耐啊？
Okay, the keyboard and mouse is on. Oh!
Oh!
Yay!
You
I'm the
really
best
work?
person in the world! Oh, RGB!
Damn it! Really work.
Oh, RGB, look at this.
I thought it would be broken.
Yeah, of course it was broken down.
At least no smoke. Sounds good.
Alright guys, you saw it right there. My computer turned on and it went to the BIOS. Yeah, okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch my other videos. Bye.